Hello guys, again we have a new unboxing. This is the Florabest. Buy it from Lidl. It cost 149 euros. This is a cordless chainsaw with brushless motor, powerful 40-volt lithium battery, 2.5 ampere hours with 4-stage charge status LED, and high sewing capacity, automatic chain oiling system. Inside we have the Leon technology, no memory effect, low self-discharge, contact, high performance and copper design, 30 centimeters of chainsaw, sprocket nose and automatic oil. Cordless chainsaw HTA FKTSA 40V A1. Dual chain brake system with quick stop, tool-free chain tensioning, 60-minute fast charging with automatic charge switch off, and includes protective guide bar cover and approximately 180mm chain oil. This is an unboxing and let's see what we have inside, of course. Well, we are going to see some manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice. Accessories. Oh, the battery. Oh, see the battery. 2.5 ampere hours, 9 watt hours. Manufactured on November 2017. LED check. The green for gardening color with the black. Well, let's see the bigger box, what is inside. Oh my goodness, that's a very big charger. Florabest, some indicators, low charging, temperature. You can mount it into your wall. Okay, very nice. Let's see how it fits the battery. Some specs. There's a 36 volt and 3.6 ampere hour output. Well, next. Oh, that's a heavy bad boy. Some protection foam. Here is the chain. Side we have the oil. This is for the chain. I must install chain. I will do that in my next video. That means I will test that and we'll see how it goes, how it works. Here we're going to put the oil. The battery is going inside here. Guys, thank you for watching this lovely video, this unboxing of the Florabest Cordless Chainsaw 40 volt 2.5 ampere hours battery. Next video in the corner you'll see how to use this tool, how to assemble it, and we are going to test it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, of course it's your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it.